guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little bit different. We're not going to be going on an adventure, but we're going to be preparing for an adventure, so it kind of goes with what we do here on this channel. If you're new here guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, the notification, and all that stuff that goes along with it. So in today's video guys, we are going to be turning my SUV into a camper, and we're going to be going camping in it. Right, we're not going camping in this video, but we are going to be going camping in a video very, very soon. So, the first thing we need to do is go and get some supplies. The first thing I need to get is some wood. Plywood to be exact. Okay, so I'm going to go get some plywood. I'm also going to go and get some other little bits of wood to use as stands, which I'll explain to you a little bit further into the video. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be hitting up this random little place I found on Google Maps. Okay, I say Google Maps, I actually asked them on the local community page and they told me to go to it. So I went to it and here we are guys, getting ourselves some wood. They measured out the wood, we measured out the car like so, we measured out the width, we measured out all the length and whatnot. And the guys even cut it up for me. It only cost 7 ringgit for them to cut the wood up for me guys. So that was mega cheap. That was the first thing we needed to buy today. The other things we needed to buy we'll go and find a little bit later on. Just while we're in the middle of it guys, I did recently get myself a Mavic Pro, so here's a random drone shot right in the middle of the video, just so I could throw it in and show off my new drone. So guys, now we've got our wood, we're going to pop to Mr. DIY, which is the local hardware store where you can just get random stuff. Store, and I'm just going to get some nails. So these are the nails we're getting. Okay guys, so we're going to head right back home now, and we're going to see what we can do with all this stuff. Right, so we've got everything we need. Sandpaper and a load of nails. And I've already got a hammer. So in total, if you want to add the hammer on, you can. I already had the hammer. Everything's come to around about $10. Okay? We've got lots of little bits of wood. These are going to be the stands. And we got 4 of them, they were free. We also got this huge piece of wood here, like this. That was loud. So basically what we're going to do is, because the car's on a slant, like this, you can see it's obviously because where the chairs are, it's a bit slanted up. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create the stands under the wood to make it level, make it flat. So that's what the next plan is. We're going to hammer them into this big piece of wood right here. So let's get to work. Just so you get a rough idea of how actually bad Mr. DIY I am, here's my nails. Couldn't even get them all the way in. It seems the wood at the bottom's a bit too hard. Probably needed a power drill, but I don't have a power drill, so I may do. Now, so I've got these in, and they're in. I think. I hope. If you're better at this than I am, or you've got a power drill indeed, then you'll have no problems with this part of it. It's very easy and obviously very cheap. The next bit is to obviously sand down some of these parts here, because we don't want to get any splinters while we're sleeping, because that wouldn't be too pleasant. So we're going to just quickly get on with that. Good and sanded. Kind of, but we're going to put some mats on it anyway, so the splinters don't matter that much. Now the next thing we need to do is, obviously we've got a bit of a hole here. Now that doesn't matter, because this is actually going to be quite a nice area to store stuff. So we're just going to put the planks here, put the wood here, and with the stands there, it should be a nice level thing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly put this in here, I'm going to make the bed and you're going to see what the finished product is. So this is, or hopefully will be, a $10 turn your SUV into a camper van. I've just got to try and get the wood in there on my own now because it took 2 people last time. Now, it doesn't look like too much, but the perfect place to sleep, right under the stars, and I think we'll be very comfy. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Check out all the adventures we're going to be doing in this. My wife will probably make the bed a little bit better than I will. But guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the little notification bell so you know when the rest of my videos are coming up. We're going to be taking this weekend, so in just a couple of days we're going to be going down, I'm going to be camping on the beach with some friends. They're in tents, we're in the luxury. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next time.